How to install Capital One app on Android. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your Play Store. After you're in the store, tap on the search bar and search for Capital One. In the search results, you'll see the Capital One appear. It'll have this kind of logo over here. Once you find this app with this logo, in the right hand side you can see the install button. In order to install this app on your phone, tap on this install button. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet speed. After the installation process is complete, this app will be completely downloaded on your phone. You will see this open button in the right hand side. You can directly launch this app from here, so tap on open. You have successfully downloaded the Capital One app on your Android phone. You can now tap on this get started button. You can provide your details and start exploring this app. So that's it. That's how you can easily install Capital One app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.